Matapos ang ilang panahon ng hiatus, muling nagbabalik si Miguel Escueta sa music scene ngayong taon kasama ng kanyang mga bagong mga kanta. Dalawang bagong single ang inilabas niya, Summer Dream at Pangako ng Bukas, sa ilalim ng management niya na ALD Talent Circuit na pinamumunuan ni Arnold L. Vegafria. Ipinakilala niyang muli ang kanyang sarili sa OPM na parang comeback ito mula sa dati niyang kasikatan hanggang sa muling paglabas ng bagong musika.
Doing a return wasn't planned. I just had the itch to write. The need to write music, I felt that earlier this year, and it was very therapeutic for me.
Si Miguel Escueta ay isang Pilipinong mga awit at songwriter na nag-umpisa ang karera noong 2005. Noong una ay solo artist siya at pinasikat ang mga kantang Falling Away at Isipin. Pero bandang 2013, itinatag niya ang banda niyang The Morning Episodes.
Well, the singles we released with MCA, Falling Away, I did a collab with Julian, the local version of Camp Rock, This Is Me. Some other singles were Sleeping While the World's Awake, Blue Monday, and Now It Starts, which was initially released with MCA, but that is one of the songs that got picked up by licensing companies in the US. That's one of the songs that got used on international shows.
Sa ngayon, abala din si Miguel sa kanyang negosyo at bilang isang family man.